Merhaba, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, the place where we explore the world of culinary delights. Today we have something truly exciting on the menu. We're diving deep into the world of Turkish cuisine, mouth-watering dishes, Turkish fried vegetables or shakshuka. But hold on, there's more to these dishes than meets the eye. Stay tuned as we uncover some unknown facts that will surprise and tantalize your taste buds. First up, let's talk about Turkish fried vegetables. We all love the crispy goodness of fried veggies, but did you know that this dish has a rich history? In Turkey, it's not just about the taste. It's a celebration of seasonal produce and vibrant flavors. Turkish fried vegetables often feature a colorful array of vegetables like eggplant, zucchini, and bell peppers. But did you know that the variety can change based on the season? Turkish believe in using what's fresh and in season, making each dish a unique experience. Another interesting fact is the cooking technique. Turkish fried vegetables are often pan-fried to perfection, creating a delightful combination of crispy and tender textures. The secret lies in the right blend of olive oil, herbs, and spices. But did you know about the surprising origin story of shakshuka? Shakshuka typically refers to a Turkish dish made with sautéed vegetables, often including eggplants, bell peppers, tomatoes, and onions, seasoned with various herbs and spices. Legend has it that shakshuka was created by North African Berbers who wanted a hearty and nutritious breakfast. It then traveled across the Mediterranean and made its way into Turkish cuisine. Shakshuka is known for its rich and robust flavor, thanks to the combination of various vegetables and the use of herbs and spices like garlic, parsley, and cumin. The vegetables used in shakshuka, such as eggplants, bell peppers, and tomatoes, are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, contributing to a nutritious and balanced dish. Shakshuka can be enjoyed on its own as a vegetarian main course, or as a side dish to complement other Turkish dishes. Its versatility makes it a flexible addition to various meals. Shakshuka is deeply rooted in Turkish culinary tradition, reflecting the diverse and flavorful nature of Turkish cuisine. It can be a representation of the cultural and regional variations within Turkish cooking. Today, it's a beloved dish enjoyed throughout the country. Shakshuka is known for its luscious tomato and bell pepper base, but here's a twist in Turkey. Some variations include Turkish sausage, sucuk, adding a spicy kick to the dish. It's a flavorful blend of cultures on your plate. Now, let's uncover some unknown facts that will leave you amazed. Did you know that Turkish cuisine is heavily influenced by the Ottoman Empire? The use of spices, herbs, and cooking techniques has been passed down through generations, creating a culinary tapestry that's as diverse as the country itself. It's amazing how these culinary traditions are intertwined with cultural beliefs. The use of fresh vegetables in shakshuka contributes to its health benefits. Vegetables are known for their potential to support overall health, including heart health and digestive well-being. Shakshuka is relatively simple to prepare, making it accessible for home cooks. It typically involves sautéing vegetables and combining them with herbs and spices, making it a straightforward yet tasty dish. The vibrant colors of the vegetables used in shakshuka contribute to an aesthetically pleasing presentation. The visual appeal can enhance the overall dining experience. The basic concept of shakshuka can be adapted to include additional ingredients or variations based on personal preferences. This adaptability allows for creativity in the kitchen. The ingredients used in shakshuka are often readily available and affordable, making it a cost-effective dish that can be enjoyed by a wide range of people. Now let's go for the cooking process. Wash and peel the eggplants in stripes. Dice them into small cubes. Core the bell peppers and chop them into bite-sized pieces. Dice the tomatoes. Finely chop the onion and mince the garlic. In a large skillet or pan, heat olive oil over medium heat. Add chopped onions and sauté until they become translucent. Add minced garlic and sauté for an additional minute until fragrant. Add the diced eggplants and bell peppers. Sauté until they begin to soften. Add the diced tomatoes to the pan and stir well. Season the mixture with ground cumin, paprika, salt, and pepper. Adjust the seasoning to your taste. The shakshuka is ready when the vegetables are tender, and the flavors have melded together. You can adjust the cooking time based on your desired consistency. Once cooked, remove the pan from heat. Garnish the shakshuka with fresh parsley. Serve the shakshuka warm as a side dish or as a main course. It's often enjoyed with crusty bread or rice. As we conclude our culinary adventure through the lesser-known facets of Turkish Şakşuka, I hope these additional facts have deepened your appreciation for the richness and diversity of Turkish culinary traditions. If you have any more intriguing facts to share, or if there's a particular aspect of Turkish cuisine you'd like us to explore further, let us know in the comments below. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, happy cooking and exploring the world through its flavors.